So here, so the top. No, it's only chapter 8. It's written in the syllabus. Okay, second topic is coming in second term. Okay, okay, listen children, this topic is related to AI. I am taking one of the topic which is rock, paper and scissors. This is related to the probability. The topic of probability we have done in 9th class and it is continued in 10th class also, which is there in first term. Fine. Can anybody define how do we find probability and what is the probability in your language? In your language.
I guess sum of the events upon number of events.
Okay, not correct. Not correct. It's little close, but not correct. Can anybody?
Total number of
favorable.
Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Ronak close है, correct नहीं है. Karthik is correct. Favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. It's like you have suppose, you know, we are throwing a dice and total number of outcomes are how many total outcomes we have in a dice? 6. 6. Perfect. What is the probability of getting an even number?
And 3 by 6.
Perfect, 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 perfect. So I'm taking one of the activity which is AI relatable, and this is rock, paper and scissors. This is one of the game. Here what will happen, I will play a game and the computer will play a game. Fine. So we will get 3 possibility. The winning, I win, my chances of winning and the computer's chances of winning, and then the next is the tie. We can have a tie also. So please just see. Okay. So is the screen visible to all of you? Okay. So here the first is play the game. I'm playing the game, just see. We have, these are the three things. This is rock, paper and scissors. So if it matches, I make a thumb, okay, so it's rock. So if the same expression is done by the computer, it's a tie. If I make it, computer doesn't make it, I'm the winner. And then in a similar way we continue. In a similar way the game continues. We have different rounds, so we can continue with the rounds depending on our win or the loss. So we'll have at least 6 to 9 rounds. I'll start, play the game. Okay. So in the beginning what happens, the computer tries to understand our moves. Okay. So I'll just start. So it has understood in the beginning. Okay.
मैम आपने कोई लेवल सेट किया क्या मीडियम?
No level. Okay. So here if you see, I have played 11 rounds. Fine. Out of 11 rounds, 5 is the winning, 5 is the number of win, 4 is the win of the computer, you can say, 2 is a tie. Fine. So this is, if you say A1 is the event when I am the winner, okay. B1 is the event when the computer is a winner, and C1 is the event when there is a tie. Okay. So, yes. So in these three events, what is the probability that I am the winner?
5 by 11.
Very nice. Very nice. And what is the probability that the computer is a winner?
4 by 11.
And tie is 2 by 11?
2 by 11.
Okay. What are the, there are few rules of probability. What are those rules?
From the probability should come between 0 and 1 only.
Very nice. First. Perfect.
It should come
Perfect.
Less than
Perfect.
0.
Yes.
greater than 2.
Correct. There is one more, which says that sum of all the probability should be 1. So if you add 5 by 11 plus 2 by 11 and 4 by 11, this will be 1. This is the second rule, 1. Okay, now what is this about? It is like what happens in the beginning, though my game was not started very nicely, but what happens when you start, you are the winner in the beginning because the computer doesn't know your moves. But later on, he tries to understand your moves and it becomes a winner. It becomes a winner. So this is how they are thinking our moves, how they are learning our patterns, and they become the winner. Gradually, they read our mind. You can see. It's not that I'm deliberately letting the computer win. I'm just doing my moves changing, but it has read my mind. This is one way. Okay, so you all will also play the game. You will tell me your chances of winning and your probability. It's a good game because everybody will have the different answers depending on your game, on your way that you pick up the game. This was first the standard version. Now I am taking the 3D version. We'll start. Okay, first. I'm the winner in the beginning because it has read my mind that this was the move. I should have taken the other move instead of taking this. It should not be so obvious also. Okay, so this is the way we have got our probability set. The total round 9 means the round which I am going to play. I am not playing round 9. There are 8 rounds which I have played, and out of 8, 6 is the round. 6 rounds I have won, that is 6 by 8. 3 by 4 is the probability of A1. A1 is the event when I am winning. B1 is the event when computer is winning, that is A2. Probability of A2 is 1 by 8. And probability. Oh my God, how is it possible? Sorry, you should have told me. Wait a minute. I'll share it again. Okay, I'm sorry. You should have told me. Okay, just a minute. Perfect, because I'll be giving you as one of the multiple assessment game. I'll be giving you the multiple assessment game. Just see, this was what I was playing in the beginning. I can start again because I have played like this. Over there I'll show you the beginning part where there was 2. I'll show you again, just a minute. Okay, it's already, I have to go back again because this is a downloaded portion. So this way we can do, this is the 3D option. So you can play both the options, you can show it, you can record it, and you can write. This is what the AI integrated topic. Okay, so this is all that I wanted to teach, and there is one more topic which I want to integrate, that is the auto draw. So I'll show you what the auto draw, what do we do in auto draw. Okay, we have auto draw also, we have quick draw also. I'll show you auto draw. Just a minute, let me share the auto draw. Is like if suppose I want to teach you mensuration. Okay, I am teaching you mensuration, and in mensuration we have the combination of shapes. We have a, you can say cylinder, and we have a cone mounted over it, or we have to find the volume of the frustum. What is the frustum? Frustum is actually neither particular shape, it is the difference of two cones or a shape which is in the form of bucket. So if I want to auto draw means I can draw a shape which I am not good at making, but I can make it. I will tell you how. Just see my drawing, how beautiful I am drawing, but I will be able to get it some way. So this is what I have got. So it's not exactly which I was looking for. I'll draw it again. I want to draw the bucket. Okay. So this is not the way which should have been. I'll try again. So it looks like tumbler, you will see. So I have got the bucket. Fine. So this bucket is in the form of a frustum. So if I want to explain something, I will say this is the bucket and it has got two different top and bottom, it has certain height, so it is in the form of frustum. Suppose I want to tell you about the door and I want you to find the area of the door. Okay, so I am making rectangular shape. The relatable images will come. The image with which I can relate, I'll draw. Okay, this is you can.
ग्राफ पेपर मान ले ना, वहाँ से भी हम एरिया निकाल सकते हैं.
एरिया निकाल सकते हैं. दिस इज बेसिकली अबाउट द शेप्स. ऑटो ड्रॉ है. ऑटो ड्रॉ इज गेटिंग कमिंग ऑन इट्स ओन, बट यू शुड हैव सम रफ पिक्चर, रफ इमेजरी विद यू, है ना. एग्जैक्ट जो शेप मैं चाह रही हूँ वो शेप आ जाएगी, जैसे मोबाइल. ओके, आई मीन इट्स नॉट द मोबाइल, इट कैन बी अ डोर ऑल्सो. So this is just to assist you in making a diagram. Suppose I am making a diagram, waves, tree. No, okay, suppose I want to make a tree, beach, something like this. The tree has come, and I want to show you about the trigonometry, that angle of elevation, and from the top of the tree is something. So this is the angle of elevation. Say it is 45 or something, and this distance is given, let's say 40 meter. Okay, 48. This is 40 meter, and this is say 50 meter. This is certain height. Find the distance of this point from the top of the tree. So the image looks more convincing. That gives a good idea. And if suppose you are making a story, है ना, अगर हम कोई story बना रहे हैं, so it looks good. Suppose I want to show the water, I can show the water. I want to color it, I can color it. I have different colors also. The complete I don't want. Like this. So this is auto draw. There is one more tool which is quick draw that you will really enjoy if I have. Okay, it's not there. I'll show you. So these are the two tools. As of now, I just want you to get familiar with two tools, and you must put up a video of this kind the way I have put across. Okay. What is the function of these tools in mathematics? First is rock, paper and scissor. It has the other uses also, but that is for your 7th and 8th class. We can use it for percentage, ratio also, like we can have the ratio of win to the tie, kind of. We can have the percentage of losses or percentage of win. So we can have, you can say the ratio we already have discussed, percentage we have discussed. These topics we can use in rock, paper and scissors. As far as auto draw is concerned, auto draw can be used in the multiple topic. Like suppose I am going to write a story. So I can put beach, I can put a tree, I can put a house, I can put a bird. So it will automatically come I don't need to be very picture perfect, not to be very good artist in getting a backdrop like this. So is this point clear? Okay. So yes, I am coming to that. So what you have to do is, you have to, just a minute, give me 1 minute.